Hello everybody, this is Albert Costa. Today I'm going to show you one quick lap around Monza, Italy. We call this track as the Temple of the Speed because it's the quickest lap track from the calendar. We're going to brake here just before the 150 board. We go down to first gear, use the curb in the first, and then be quick on the change direction and prepare a lot the exit. It's very important to prepare the exit in this track because the long straights. Here, in this flat right corner, you need to close the line because you do less meters and at the end you count time to the lap time. Up to 6, and then after the 150 board, we brake hard again down to second. Watch out, it's quite tricky. Oh, it's very bumpy as well. Up to fourth gear, and now before the curb you brake down to third. Try to keep the speed high. Use the green on the exit, and then on the 50 board we brake again down to third and use the green again as I do. It's very important in this corner to prepare a lot the exit because the straight line is very long again, and as you can see now it's going down, but now it's going up, so we need the power of the Lambo. Just after the bridge we brake hard, we use the curb as much we can on the left. Now it's quite tricky and you need to fight. Whoa, use the outside curb and the green. Be careful with the track limits there, it's quite typical. Between the two bridge you stay on the right because at least in real life it's more flat. We turn to the left, and after the 100 board we brake hard. We prepare a lot the straight line, go wide, use the track as I do, touch a bit the curb as a reference, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy, hope you like and you learn some tricks in this challenging track as Monza. And don't forget to subscribe to eSport-Lamborghini to join the first Lamborghini esports competition and follow us on Lamborghini Squadra Corsa channels. Thank you very much and see you soon. Ciao!